What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now, we are today, you guessed it, back working on the LS JZX, the LSX, if you will. We've got the heads back from the machine shop. They're all good to go, they passed. And we have got one last final piece of the puzzle to this LS build that has just flown in this morning, so we can get this build underway. Now, on the last video of this car, we stripped the engine down, ready to be machined, and ready to be rebuilt. So if all goes well today, we're going to be camming this engine, and we've also got a lot of other parts that I believe every LS should have if you want to be beating on it a little bit, which we hopefully will be. We got to still pick up a few more things on the way, but I'll take you along for the drive. We are going 20 kilometers in 100 zone, 4 lanes. Alright, a cheeky hour and 15 minutes later, we made it. Oh my goodness, let's crack on. This is my buddy Dylan, the most important piece to the puzzle of the LS build. Now, because I wasn't confident enough doing this by myself, instead of dropping this off at a machine shop and paying someone that I don't know, I would rather fly my friend down who I haven't seen in ages and learn from him. Dylan has patiently been answering any LS related questions that I had, and it was great to learn a thing or two from him while he was down. Picasso. Now, let's build a backyard LS. So the old lifters are out in the buckets. So they don't look too bad, but you don't know because they're hydraulic, is that correct?
Correct.
So we have new ones anyway, which are currently, oh my gosh, this is a mess right now, soaking in some oil before they go in, because that's what you need to do. Yes, LS things. Just a comment too with the lifters, this is what we suspect the noise was in the car. They don't look that bad, but they don't normally look that bad. You don't really know until they're actually running. So, like, there's signs of wear on some of them, but this is what we suspect. Very common. The pistons and the bearings feel good, so that's also reassuring, I guess. So after taking the timing cover off, found that the oil pump here looks brand new. So this has been replaced at some point. Maybe potentially the old owner is trying to find oiling issues and has started with this oil pump. But we've got our new high volume pump anyway, so we're gonna put this in regardless because this just looks like a stock one and potentially not OEM anyway. So even though it's new, might as well replace it while we're here when we got the part. This is gonna do better for the engine anyway. bin.
Frisbee.
Freshies.
Binner.
Just taking off the cam plate, and what have you found?
So these have like a rubber O-ring, so to speak, actually internal.
Yep.
And so essentially this one here, there's no ridge on it, it's flat. And you can see in some spots where it's actually lower than the metal, like in a position here and over here, which will cause oil to bypass and cause an oil pressure drop.
Interesting. So we think that the previous owner has been chasing an oil pressure issue in regards to the oil pump being changed and a few other things that we've noticed. But this is a new one as well, which has got a raised gasket in it too. So we were always going to do this, but this is giving us hope that this thing is going to have that much oil pressure when we're done with it. If that was something that was potentially wrong with this engine, but at least we can rule it out. So taking out the old boring stock cam, and this is where the fun begins.
It's a perfectly average size cam.
Look, it has good personality, okay? But we got one with better personality. And a lifted truck. So now, the exciting part out of all of the fun parts, this is the funnest. This is our big cam, or respectable cam in the LS world. I can't say that's a big cam, unfortunately. I want to. Gone with a 296 Crow cam. So this is a good cam. So this is you, and this is the guy she tells you not to worry about. Cam is in, she's all lubed up, ready for a first start, should survive that, and then the oil pump will do the rest of the job. But cam is in, it's officially huge cam LS, and this can go in the fucking bin. So opted for a dual row guide opposed to the old one, the factory one, which was actually single, so should be a bit beefier, and just doing some upgrades to this thing. Not everything, but some that should hopefully make this a bit more reliable, but able to make a bit more power too. We got new front main seal in the timing cover. Got a new, this is a new gasket. The old one didn't look too bad, but hey, got it anyway. Everything's gonna be brand new. Chuck some assembly lube on that. Beautiful. It's gonna be a brand new engine. Update. One head is done. One to go. Dylan is absolutely loving life right now, and I feel absolutely terrible. But the springs are turning into be quite a joyous task because they're dual springs, so the actual spring tool is quite hard to get a grip on it, and yeah, got a live bomb in his hand right now, so that's cool. Dumper's back on, engine's back together here now. So once we get the other head done, we'll clean that out and then we can throw the gaskets on, throw the heads on, talk it to spec, and time it. Oh, and also lifters and buckets.
Big shout out to the MVP Jade.
And thank you, Jade, for also being here the whole time and putting up with this. And
2 spring compressors, 2 heads.
One just exploded on the last spring, but it's done. So, oh my god, I'm gonna blow this out and then we can throw this on here and get the fuck out of here.
Perfectly average size hammer.
Average size man with a normal hammer.
Probably gonna have people in the comments, you're doing it wrong, you tighten them bolts last. They do nothing. Yeah, you just gotta make sure you ugga it up to spec.
Yep, and done. Alright, that's 1 bolt done, that's 2 bolts. So the first pass, obviously make sure you do it in the right sequence too, is 22 foot-pound, and then you go over everything again. Second pass, 90 degrees, and then the final pass is going to be 90 again, but there's 2 shorter bolts, and those ones are actually 50. So make sure you do that right, and then the back ones too, you can sequence it. They're only 22 foot-pound. It doesn't really matter. Right, Dylan's using his pride and joy investment piece. Gotta make it worthwhile.
50, 53, same.
Red means green, right?
Yeah.
22. Beep beep. Just like that, LS is basically completed for tonight as timed and together. Just got this off just to show you, but everything is there. This side is back on. Going to throw some spark plugs in that as well, so it's fully sealed, and the other cover on, but it's getting there. So a few more things to go, and then I can call it a night. Someone's even set off fireworks because we finished the LS. Thank you. That's nice. We are in Logan, so I thought they were gunshots. Okay, now the LS is back together as much as it's going to be for today. Everything's loose, there's still more stuff to do. JZX is chilling there, ready to go, but it's all together, it's all timed. Has heaps of compression, so that's good. Everything rotates. Dylan did an amazing job.
Great success.
Jade's very cold. And yeah, as you can see, it is pitch black again, so that's incredible. But yeah, this is as much as it's going to get to for tonight, and in the next bit I'm going to put the rest of it back together and then hopefully start it. So I'm very intrigued to see what this sounds like, and apologies because I was all over the show with this video, but if you made it to the end, I appreciate it. And getting to do this in front of my friends is absolutely amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you very shortly.